Today, we are making the ultimate gourmet bulldog spicy ramen. This isn't just a late night snack, this is a full restaurant quality experience right in your kitchen. Get ready to elevate your noodle game. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of Kewpie mayo for richness, a tablespoon of heavy cream, and a teaspoon of gochujang for that extra Korean kick. Mix that together. This creates a velvety base that cuts the spice just enough while boosting the flavor profile. Throw 6 mini sausages into a pan. Let them get crispy and browned. Once they look good, drop in minced garlic and the white parts of a scallion. Saute until fragrant, about a minute. Then, hit it with a teaspoon of sesame oil and soy sauce. This infuses the protein with a deep, savory umami flavor that the powder packet just can't match. Boil your pink packet noodles for about 4 minutes. Toss the noodles into the pan with your sausages. Add the original bulldog seasoning powder, the liquid sauce, and our custom creamy mayo gochujang mix. We aren't done. Lay 2 slices of American cheese right on top. Cover it for 60 seconds. The steam melts the cheese into the sauce, creating the most insane, cheesy coating you've ever seen. Stir that cheese. This is the definition of comfort food. Plate it up. Top it with a crispy sunny side up egg. Garnish with the green scallions, toasted sesame seeds, and some furikake or crumbled nori for crunch. The best instant noodles you will ever eat.